Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Busisiwe Mkhwebane versus Cyril Ramaphosa. President Cyril Ramaphosa has written to embattled public protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane, asking her to provide reasons why he should not suspend her. In a statement late on Thursday, Mkhwebane said she received the letter from the president informing her that Parliament had decided to continue its impeachment process against her. The public protector received a letter from President confirming the news reports and informing her that he is considering suspending her in terms of Section 194 3.8. The letter further invites the public protector to, within 10 working days, provide reasons why the president should not take such a step. The National Assembly Speaker Busisiwe Mkhwebane informed Ramaphosa that the parliament was continuing with Mkhwebane's impeachment proceedings, opening the way for Ramaphosa to suspend her. Last month, the Constitutional Court effectively gave the Section 194 committee, which handles the proceedings, the green light to continue with the impeachment as long as Mkhwebane will be allowed legal presentation. In a statement, the president confirmed that the Ramaphosa had asked Mkhwebane to provide him with reasons why he should not suspend her in terms of Section 194 3.8 of the Constitution. Busisiwe said she would continue her work as envisioned in the Constitution and will consult her legal team on Friday to map a way forward. Well, I really wish Mkhwebane can win this one, people. Ramaphosa doesn't want anyone to investigate him. Look at Zondo. He never mentioned Cyril shenanigans and the Zondo Commission. Now he's the Chief Justice. In fact, Cyril should be suspended. The country is dying slowly. What do you think, people? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online Channel loves you. Bye, good people.